Really nice. Want to go and check it out? It's a lot from an RC unit. You can go online, or you can phone them, make a reservation, perhaps just ask about their availabilities. That's 663 786. That's Jack's Bar, Hotron Island, 663 786. It's number 144, gives a bit of wheel spin to the crowds there at the back end of the track. So Kit's in our regular ice cream man has just fired up the tractors, and I'm presuming he's getting ready for what he's going to pretty much likely have to do is clean the track up quite a bit at the end of this meeting. Like I said, those tyres are so heavy, the white ones that you can see dotted around the inside of the track. You literally do need a tractor to lift them, and of course if you get stuck underneath the car, you're in trouble. So the plan then, ladies and gents, if you look at the very start line of the track, where the tractor's sat, the tractor's going to get underway, the cars will ride around with them, and then as soon as the tractor comes off the track, our marshal will wave the green flag, and it will be underway. Our marshal is now stood on the back of the tractor. A pretty brave situation to be stood in, I'd say. And do make sure you give them a big round of applause. Cheer on your favourite car and driver. It's going to be not one to miss. It's the Demolition Derby, the mid-season Demolition Derby for the 2013 stock car season. And as I just check out the final few cars, we are almost ready to get underway. And there's still the BMW coming out on track. You will have seen earlier on, raced by Big Tom. He managed to pull that off in the bangers, so I do hope it's ready for its Demolition Derby. Needless to say, it's going to be a bit heavier. A bit more, well, damaging, I'd say, to the Demolition Derby than a normal banger race would be. Here we go then, the procession map will start off the demo. Give them a big round of applause, give them a scream, give them a shout, your favourite cars, your favourite drivers. Is it maybe the last time you see the cars rolling as well? Keep an eye out for that blue PT Cruiser. Genuinely, it's built like a bus, but can it last a third Demolition Derby? We've got that Ford Fiesta as well, the Brian Henderson. It was a production run, it's now not open. But he still managed to put some juice into that one. And the number 6 car there, along with the number 6. Give them a round of applause, give them a shout. And as I said, as soon as this procession lap finishes, as soon as the green flag goes, anything goes. And Brundle, you give a big scream shout, ladies and gentlemen, the Demolition Derby 2013. Folks, it's fair to say. PT Cruiser being put to the wall there, unfortunately. It looks like it's going again, actually. The 95 Fiesta. The big Henderson looks like it's taken a bit of a bang as well. It's so good quite a bit, but can it last the end of the race? Big action! Number 77, number 127, big blue field from the 71 on the way there. Absolutely flat to the back right hand tyre. I would say won't last much longer. Looks like we've got one out already. That looks that's not in fact the end tyre. Yes, Another big action for the PT Cruiser there. Jake Bird gents driving that one, and he's still doing really well. Going to be a fourth survival with Demolition Derby. It was the head gents flying before. It's had numerous other issues as well, along with a pretty funky paint job. You can be proud of the guys from NG and putting that one out. And it's still going, smoking away, but it is still on the road.
Oh shit!
And a big miss there from number 71. He dropped back into the car of BMW, the number 144 car as well.
That car's fucked. He's still going backwards!
The number 866 car. The flat tyre, that looks like it could be. Oh no, the PT Cruiser looks like it's in a pretty bad way. It's fucking out a hell of a lot of smoke. It looks like Jake may have killed the PT Cruiser.
Go on, Ryan! There he is.
By the looks of it, we have 3 cars left. Potentially just 2 after this next action.
We do! Your hand go! We do! Your hand go! We do! Oh, hand go! We do!
Big Tom's out with his BMW. The blue BMW looks like it might just be on its last legs. Can it go any further? It's about to get a big hit now from 144.
Shit.
And the driver of that blue car parked up just behind it, managing to just escape. 71 still going, that's the estate red car. Although it looks like it's going to be challenged by the BMW. He'll just get past it, but he's going to back into it by the looks of things. Of course, with a lot of cars, it's better to use the back end of it because, let's face it, the engine's at the front and that's what you want to keep intact. Oh, big smash on the number 71 car into the BMW. And it looks like number 144 is ready to do something about it as well. Just look at how slipping the track's getting. They're going to back into each other now. He's in a lot of trouble in that BMW. Just sat there waiting for his time to pounce. By the looks of it, Jake may have the PT Cruiser still running. A lot of smoke out of it now, Jake. I reckon that engine is cooked.
That's fucking brilliant.
Who's your favourite then, ladies and gents? Give them a scream.
That's just showing off.
Drivers in the middle of the track at the moment. Now, which of this car were you driving? What happened to it? Oh, which car were you driving? Used to get quite far apart from each other. Was it just linked on, or was it a second smash that took you out? It was a lover's tip. Fair enough. Well, Jake Burns is just jumping out of the PT Cruiser. Oh, Jake, what have you done? Is the PT gone for yours?
No.
There's going to be some big rear action here as well going on with this. They're backing into each other. Going to slide into the side. Ryan Henderson managing to get the passenger side door smack there. It looks like the Fiesta might not go a lot further. Another smack for him. Come on, Ryan! Jake's here. What's happening to PT? There you go, ladies and gents. The PT Cruiser might just make it for another Demolition Derby. A little bit of work, perhaps. Something to do with the drive. The engine still runs, so that's always good. 2 cars left on track by the look of it. Well, there's a lot of more cars left on track, but 2 cars still running. And there's going to be a big smash. I'm getting a bit nervous about how this is going to end, because 144 is chasing down that BMW something fierce.
Oh shit.
And of course, they've got to look after their engines.
Just a little
So the 144 car not even bothering to look after it.
Don't tap it, whack it!
Have a look at the message on the side of that 144 car as well. It says cash for scrap vehicles. A few scrap vehicles after this one, I reckon.
Oh.
Who's your favourite, ladies and gents? Give them a cheer.
He ain't dying that!
The BMW, I'm going to say, looks like the underside of it left wheel.
Oh shit, yeah, the black left wheel, and it's like, oh.
Got to do it as well. That's going to make it even more difficult to drive in these flat conditions. Looks like a bit of a stalemate at the moment. They're just playing with each other then.
Great.
One of them's going to have to go head on or back into one or other. What's going to happen? Give them a shout, give them a scream. If you've got a favourite out there, who do you think's going to win?
None of them. They're brilliant. Oh.
I'm not quite sure if you meant to miss there or not. We're obviously seeing some action there with the 144 car trying to protect by the looks of it. I'm going to say it looks like it's lasted really well. I couldn't actually tell you what kind of car that was when it started. Anyone got any ideas what sort of car that was? There you go, ladies and gentlemen, looks like John Kelly may have just won the mid-season Demolition Derby in the 144 car. Give him a big round of applause.